Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
My name's Dustin King. I got 6 DS18 AEXL XX15s.
Okay.
And 3 of the Hooligan KO8s.
Alright. Nice. Wow. Did you build this?
Yes, sir. Built, designed the box, and all myself. Built the doors.
Right. And you built into the vehicle. This is
Yes,
like
sir. It's
really
built into the
optimized.
vehicle.
Wow. What made you go with a 6th order over a 4th? Just curious.
I wanted low lows.
Okay. Alright. And inverting them versus regular mount, have you tried it at all?
I haven't tried it at all. I just done that just for extra
Okay.
cooling and being able to see sparks if I need to.
Yep. There you go. And smell. And a couple more questions. I'm sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Box tunings and cubic space, if you know.
17 on the bottom, 29.5-ish on the top,
Okay.
22.46.
2246. Oh, so lows. All right. Sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna find
SPL test at all?
No, actually the build's only a week old. It's been
Really?
finished for a week. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so just for the show.
breaking in
Nice.
right now.
All right. Yeah, I'm excited to hear it, man.
It's a good
What,
song.
all right. What are these subs rated for, RMS wise?
2,000.
2,000. Okay.
I'm actually one down.
One down, really?
I'm supposed to have 4 AKs.
Okay.
We're gonna recon the dual twos,
Yeah.
drop it to 0.67 per. Next week, my JS alternators will be here, double 370s at 16.1, 16.2.
Wow.
So we're getting ready to
That'll
throw the
jump
hammer
up
on.
then. You're
We're getting ready to throw the hammer.
Okay. What's your goals out of it, you'd say? I don't know if you're shooting for SPL or you're just shooting for a certain...
I mean, I like demos, but I would like to SPL one time just to see what it would do.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you.
Hey, yeah, man, appreciate you. I watch all your videos, bro.
Yeah, thank you for
Yes,
watching.
sir. I'm subscribed the whole 9 yards.
Okay, awesome. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
They're
I'm
very,
gonna go look
very
at the guys, too.
informative, bro.
I like as much as I can about knowing every system. So
Oh, yeah,
another thing about this box, where do you get this? The braces.
These actually come from a race car shop. These are drag links for like rear suspension and stuff like that.
Okay.
It's a lot cheaper than buying the bar and doing it yourself.
Got it. Okay, the links. Got
All
it.
3 bars, hand joints and all is like $160.
That's good compared to welding and fabricating and everything. Yeah.
But see, like I made my own alternator bracket as well.
I'll go look at that too. All
Check
right.
it out. We'll
Yeah,
check the
man.
battery bank out.
All right. Okay.
I made the alternator bracket. Use the OEM balance or auto puller.
Yeah.
It's easy to get.
Yeah. Did you laser cut it?
No, cut it with a plasma cutter, TIG welder.
Okay.
Put it on my brakes and bent the the curve.
Yes. Yep. Nice.
Check out the back.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you later.
Wow. You really optimized your space there.
Yes, sir.
All right. I mean, that's the best way to do it. To get as much. How many cubes did you get? Do you know anything like that? Like total?
So it's like 17 on the bottom and
Okay.
like 29 and a half on the top.
Okay. Very nice. Are these
40 C-Max.
Yeah. Wow. And you're going to be putting a 4th one here.
The 4th one here, yes sir. We're gonna strap them.
Wow.
But we got the recon when we do that because they're dual 4s.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good.
I'll tell you what, you want to sign my box?
I can. Yeah.
I appreciate it. It'd be cool.
Yeah. I'm just taking a picture. There you go. Oh, your doors are heavy.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. That looks good.
Appreciate it, man.
Nice. All right. Thank you for the info.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Hey, you want to hold this window in?
fucking mouth, man. Follow protocol, blood. Get in they fucking chest, nigga. We the fucking mob, nigga. These niggas bleed different. We don't bleed, nigga. We make niggas bleed, blood. Treyway. I'm squad for the fucking killers. I'm a killer too. Treyway! I'm squad for the fucking killers, I'm a killer too! Yeah, pop, pop, pop!
You're putting some power on them subs. Wow, for 2K.
I'm actually one down.
One down, really?
Supposed to have 4 AKs.
Okay.
We're going to recon the dual twos,
Yeah.
drop it to .67 per. Next week, my JS alternators will be here, double 370s at 16.1, 16.2.
Wow.
So we're getting ready to
That'll
throw the
jump
hammer
up
on.
then.
We're getting ready to throw the hammer.
Okay. What's your goals out of it, you'd say? I don't know if you're shooting for SPL or you're just shooting for a certain...
I mean, I like demos, but I would like to SBL one time just to see what it would do.
Yeah. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you.
Hey, yeah, man. Appreciate you. I watch all your videos, bro.
Thank you for
Yes,
watching.
sir. I'm subscribed the whole 9 yards.
Okay. Awesome. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna
Very,
go look at
very
the guy, too.
informative, bro.
I like as much as I can about knowing every system, so.
Oh, yeah.